San Francisco is a city renowned for its stunning vistas, iconic landmarks, and steep hills. Among its many attractions, Lombard Street stands out as a unique marvel of urban design and engineering. Known as the Crookedest street in the world, this picturesque stretch in the Russian Hill neighborhood is a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. Lombard Street's famous curves were not designed with tourism in mind, but rather for safety. In the early 1920s, the street's original steep grade of 27% made it extremely hazardous for vehicles and pedestrians. To address this issue in 1922, a resident proposed adding a series of switchbacks to reduce the street's steepness. This innovative solution not only made the street safer but also more aesthetically pleasing. The crooked design, implemented in 1922, transformed Lombard Street into the charming and iconic destination we know today. Lombard Street's one-block stretch features 8 hairpin turns, each contributing to the street's distinctive zigzag pattern. With each bend, drivers descend approximately 12.5 feet, adding up to a total vertical drop of about 100 feet from top to bottom. This careful design ensures a safer and more manageable incline for both vehicles and pedestrians. For more travel stories and insights into the world's most fascinating destinations, subscribe to Travel for Wellness. Explore, experience, and enjoy the journey with us.